Now let us talk about converting a normal stream which contains integer values into an int stream and do certain operations which we did in the last video, right? So operations like max, mean, sum, average we can do on a normal stream, but that stream contains integer values, right? So the main objective here is to convert the stream into an int stream and then do the operations. Okay, so let's say we have list of integers. So we have array dot as list. Now these integers are 1 2 3 4 5. All right, so these are our numbers. Now we want to convert this list into an int stream. So we know how to convert into a stream. We can just call a stream, right? Now let me show you something. If I store, this is a stream of integer, but we want to convert into int stream, right? So what we can do here, dot map to int. Remember, this method is very important. This is just a map. We learned about map, so map is nothing but it is going to transform from one stream to the other stream. So basically this is going to transform stream into int stream, basically integer stream, right? So but here what we need to do, we need to box it because these are primitive values, right? So what we can do is integer, and inside integer class we have a method int value. Yeah, so this is going to box it. Let me store now. Now it got converted into a int stream. All right, so this is an int stream now. So this is how we can convert a stream which contains integer elements, int elements, primitive int, into an int stream. Now we can process all the elements. So we can int stream dot sum. Straight away methods we have already, which we have discussed already in our previous session. So let me print sum. Let me save and run this. So we can see sum is coming as 15. Similarly, we can have numbers, not numbers, we have already int stream, right? So int stream dot we can have max, store into a max variable. This is optional int, so let me put max is, and here I can write max dot get as int. Now these things we have already discussed, right? Here it is sum is, and then we can print like this. So let me also run mean. So we have int stream dot mean. So this int stream has lot of methods, lot of ready-made methods. See this. So there are a lot of methods which is coming from the stream itself, right? But int stream also have some methods which are going to process integer elements, which we are very much we have covered in this current video and the previous video. So let me see mean, int stream dot mean. Introduce a local variable and print this mean is, and then plus mean dot get as int. Similarly we can go with average. So int stream dot average, store into a local variable and print average dot get as double, because average used to be double. Let me save and run this. What is the issue? Int stream dot max. Stream has already been operated upon and closed. Okay, so we are doing a big mistake here. What is that? Once stream is processed and closed, we need to create stream again. Okay, we cannot operate on the same int stream, because this int stream has been, here we have created the int stream, here we have processed, and after processing the terminal operation is called, this sum is the terminal operation. After that stream is closed. Now we need to create a new stream. So what we can do, numbers dot stream dot map to int integer double colon int value and then max. Now this code should be fixed. So what we can do is we can use this much, and this is our mean, and this is our average. Now let me save. What is wrong now? This is double. Now it should be fine. Let me save and run this. Now it is correct. So what we are getting is sum is 15, max is 5, mean is 1, and average is 3. So this is what we can do. Okay, so remember that once the stream is processed and if it is closed, we need to create the stream again and then process. So every time this max is called, the stream is closed. You know, in this line the stream is closed. Again mean is called, stream is closed. So we are, you know, creating the stream again. We are creating the stream, mapping to a IntStream, and then we are calling it average or, you know, max, mean, these functions. So this is very important. So I hope you understood. If you have any confusion, you know, drop me an email or put into the comments. Okay.